This is Atlas Launch Control, T-minus 4 minutes and holding. Everything is go for an on-time liftoff at 11:05. Clay Flynn, our launch weather officer, has just confirmed that our space weather is go for tonight. Our background levels down exactly where we like them, so no interference coming from the sun. Here's the Atlas and Centaur coming together. First the Atlas stage, then the Centaur. 7,500 pounds of NASA cargo on the Cygnus.
Go minus 10 minutes. Say again, all communications switch to channel 1. All personnel and visitors remain in present position until launch. Maintain operational silence in the LCC.
Terminal count briefing. If a condition exceeds a launch constraint any time after the terminal count status check, the observer shall announce hold, hold, hold on channel 1, identify their station, and briefly state the reason for the hold. OSM, verify the FCO, RCO, and O.
Ready to proceed.
Perform launch on time verification.
Roger.
PCs go.
Anomaly Chief. Anomaly Chief.
AC is go.
Range Coordinator. Clear to proceed. Launch Director. Director.
LE is go, and you have permission to launch.
Proceeding with the count. Timer T0 is planned for 03:05:52 Zulu. Set count to start at 03:01:52 Zulu.
0 is set for 03:05:52 Zulu. Count will start at 03:01:52 Zulu.
And we've heard the final go from launch from our United Launch Alliance Launch Director Bill Cullen, giving that go to ULA Launch Conductor Scott Barr. Thirty seconds to picking up the count.
On my mark, the time will be T-minus 4 minutes and counting. 3, 2, 1, mark. Mark.
And we're now T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
3:55.
Ground power was enabled.
T-minus 3 minutes, 30 seconds.
Minutes.
T-minus 3 minutes and
Securing
counting.
LO2 topping.
Atlas tanks to flight pressure.
250.
FTS internal.
T-minus 2 minutes.
159.
Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequencer start.
150.
Securing Centaur LH2. Securing Centaur locks.
140.
Launch enabled.
137.
FTS armed.
120.
FTS count started.
OCU's armed.
110.
10 bells.
$60 seconds.
Rock, report range status.
Range green. Stable at step 3.
T-minus 30 seconds.
25.
Status check.
Go, Alice.
Go Centaur. Go OA6.
20.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V rocket with Cygnus. Supplies for the crew, experiments for the science.
look good. RD-180 is performing well. Pump speeds and injector pressures have been bound. Booster has throttled back, right on schedule. Engine response looks good. Current altitude is 12 miles. Downrange distance 7 miles. Current velocity 2,057 miles per hour. Range track looks good. Controlling right down the middle. Body rates look good. Vehicle is now 1/2 its liftoff weight, continuing to perform well. Closed loop steering has been enabled. Body rates continue to look. Signatures look good. Good. Vehicle is now 1/4 of its weight at liftoff. Coming up on boost phase cooldown momentarily.
Solid data coming back.
Cooldown momentarily.
Solid data coming back here to the Cape from our Tel 4 telemetry station and also from the Jupiter Inlet
boost
station.
Phase cooldown underway. Event firing. Boost phase chill down's complete, and we have BECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have stage separation. We have box system is underway. And we have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10. Coming up on payload for jettison. Coming up on payload for jettison. And we have indication of payload for jet. Centaur closed loop steering has been enabled. Some minor rates being corrected out. Currently, Centaur is flying an altitude of 121 miles. Downrange distance is 338 miles. Current velocity is 9,060. Range track shows Centaur making good progress downrange, right down the middle. And we're seeing our normal RCS control firings. Line temperatures are warming towards bottle temperature. RL-10 continues to operate well. And Centaur mixture ratios coming into band, near nominal MR at this point. Coming up on the format change. And it looks like we have had the format change with only a minor loss of data. Still seeing normal thermal conditioning firings on the RCS. Line temperatures continue to warm towards bottle temperatures. Centaur tank pressures are stable. Storage bottle pressures look good. Centaur is now controlling near zero body rates. Continues to make good progress right down the middle of the range corridor. Current altitude is 190 miles. Current downrange distance is 744 miles. Current velocity 10,065 miles per hour. And Centaur is now requesting an oxidizer-rich correction. Engine performance is commensurate with the set MR. Vehicle body rates continue to look good. Battery voltages are stable. Tank pressures look good. This first burn of Centaur is scheduled for 13 minutes and 45 seconds.
Still live telemetry data coming from our ground stations. Live telemetry data coming from our ground stations. Yeah.
MR now has climbed near nominal. Engine performance continues to look good. Chamber pressures, LOX pump discharge, fuel venturi.
If a minute away, we'll be going to TDRS data.
Altitude, 208 miles. Downrange distance is 1,002 miles. Current velocity, 10,548 miles per hour. Center tank pressures and batteries all look stable at this point. Body rates controlling down the middle. Continue warming towards bottle temperatures. Signatures look good. Centaur PU is controlling at nominal MR. RL10 performance looks very good. Current altitude is 212 miles. Downrange distance is 1,354 miles. Current velocity 11,327 miles per hour. Our portion of flight continues to look very good. All systems are operating within expected bands for the conditions we are currently in. Current altitude is 208 miles. Downrange distance 1,552. Current velocity 11,797 miles per 52. Current velocity 11,797 miles per hour. Range track continues to show good progress downrange, right down the middle of the corridor.
12 minutes, 20 seconds into the limit at 18 minutes and 9 seconds. Launch plus 13 minutes.
And Centaur performance continues to look very good. Storage bottle pressures are stable. Tank pressures are as well. Batteries are as well. Centaur continues its flight. Condition environs on the RCS. Line temperatures are stable. RL10 performance continues to look good. Chamber pressures, LOX pump discharge, fuel venturi, all within expected range for the ZMR.
Minutes, 30 seconds into the flight. Centaur will cut off at 18 minutes, 9 seconds. And then Cygnus will separate 20 minutes and 58 seconds into the mission. Solid flight data.
6 miles, downrange distance 2,659 miles, current velocity 14,605 miles per hour. Range track continues to look good. All systems are performing nominally.
One minute remaining in the powered flight.
All systems continue to look good. Current altitude 158 miles, downrange distance 2,989, current velocity 15,486 miles per hour.
Seconds to Centaur engine cutoff.
And Centaur continues to perform very well. ZMR is the nominal mixed ratio. Chamber pressures, LOX pump discharge, fuel venturi, all within band. Body rates are controlling at 0. Current altitude is 150 miles, downrange distance 3,643 miles. Current velocity 17,311 miles per hour. And we have MECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have 4S settling on. This coast to spacecraft separation is scheduled for 2 minutes, 49 seconds. Centaur has begun the turn to separation attitude. Centaur fuel tank has vented down and is currently stable. We continue our turn to separation attitude. attitude. All other systems are operating as expected, still settling 4S motors. And Centaur has completed the turn to spacecraft separation attitude. And Centaur fuel tank is venting down. And it has completed the vent. And we have spacecraft separation.
Applause here in the Mission Director Center with spacecraft separation. Cygnus is now on its own.
Thank you very much.
And we're still waiting on the spacecraft separation open, but the MECO 1 plus 3 second open shows a very close agreement between the actual orbit and the pre-flight predictions. So it looks like Centaur was in the correct place.
This is Atlas Launch Control, 23 minutes, 40 seconds into the flight of OA6. And we'll look now at some launch replays from different tracking camera sites around Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Air Force Station.